Do you really know what is slowly ruining your Volkswagen every single day? Have you ever wondered why some Volkswagen cars reach 400,000 or even 500,000 miles while others feel worn out, noisy, and unreliable at half that distance? What if the real problem isn't the engine, the transmission, or the electronics, but the way most owners use their Volkswagen without even thinking about it? Volkswagen vehicles are engineered with precision. Whether it's a Golf, Polo, Passat, Tiguan, T-Roc, Touareg, or a modern Volkswagen ID model, every system is designed to work in balance. When daily habits break that balance, damage doesn't happen suddenly. It happens quietly, invisibly, over thousands of small moments. One of the most harmful habits starts the moment you turn the key or press the start button. Many Volkswagen owners start the engine and immediately drive aggressively. Modern Volkswagen engines, especially TSI and TDI units, need proper oil circulation before being pushed. Cold oil does not protect internal components effectively. Turbochargers, timing systems, and bearings suffer microscopic damage every time this habit is repeated. You don't feel it today, but the engine remembers. Short trips are another silent killer. Using your Volkswagen only for short daily drives prevents the engine from reaching optimal operating temperature. Moisture builds up inside the oil, exhaust components never fully regenerate, and sensors start behaving inconsistently. Over time, this leads to higher fuel consumption, warning lights, and expensive failures that seem to come out of nowhere. Electronics suffer as well. Volkswagen vehicles rely on a complex network of control units, rapid ignition cycles, opening doors while systems are still shutting down, and improper use of infotainment systems destabilize the electrical architecture. These habits slowly drain the battery and confuse modules that depend on stable voltage. Braking behavior also plays a role. Aggressive braking followed by long periods of inactivity causes uneven wear on discs and pads. Volkswagen braking systems are designed for consistent use. When misused, corrosion forms, vibrations appear, and braking performance deteriorates, not because of poor quality, but because of daily habits. Climate control is often abused without owners realizing it. Constantly switching temperatures, forcing maximum cooling immediately, or turning the system on and off rapidly stresses compressors and actuators. Volkswagen climate systems are engineered to regulate smoothly, not to be treated like an on-off switch. If you want your Volkswagen to last longer, avoid expensive repairs and understand what most owners completely ignore. Subscribe to this channel now. Every episode is designed to protect your Volkswagen with real habits, real solutions, and no workshop dependency. Another underestimated habit is ignoring software updates. Modern Volkswagen vehicles are software-driven. Infotainment, safety systems, battery management, and even engine logic depend on updates. Skipping them leads to inefficiencies and bugs that owners often misinterpret as hardware failures. Tire pressure seems basic, yet incorrect pressure affects suspension geometry, steering precision, fuel consumption, and electronic stability systems. Volkswagen suspensions are finely tuned. Wrong pressure slowly destroys bushings, joints, and alignment, making the car feel loose and unstable over time. Now, strictly following the Volkswagen visual guide. Visuals showing Volkswagen exteriors driving calmly and smoothly. Visuals showing Volkswagen interiors with dashboard, steering wheel, and infotainment. Visuals showing Volkswagen engine bays with the hood open. Visuals showing Volkswagen factories, assembly lines, and engineering environments. Visuals showing Volkswagen prototypes and concept vehicles. Visuals showing Volkswagen service workshops with Volkswagen vehicles only. Before moving on, here is the promise. At the end of this episode, I will reveal the single habit that matters more than all the others combined. This one habit alone explains why some Volkswagen cars reach 500,000 miles while others feel tired far too soon. Now, it's time to shift from damage to control. The good news is that every habit discussed so far can be corrected without tools, without money, and without visiting a workshop. Volkswagen engineers design cars to reward correct use. When owners align their behavior with that design, longevity increases dramatically. Let's start with driving rhythm. Volkswagen engines deliver torque smoothly. Gradual throttle input reduces stress on drivetrain components and significantly extends the life of DSG transmissions. Harsh acceleration confuses clutch engagement logic and accelerates wear that owners often blame on the transmission itself. Warm-up discipline is essential. This does not mean idling for long periods. It means driving gently until oil temperature stabilizes. Volkswagen engines respond exceptionally well to this habit. Turbochargers last longer, oil degradation slows, and internal tolerances remain within design specifications. Electrical stability is another foundation of reliability. Many Volkswagen issues begin with a weak battery. Low voltage creates cascading errors across multiple control units. Proactively maintaining a healthy battery prevents random warning lights and infotainment failures that seem unrelated but share the same root cause. Oil change intervals also matter. Real-world driving conditions, traffic, short trips, temperature variation degrade oil faster than laboratory estimates. Slightly shorter intervals keep Volkswagen engines clean and prevent sludge buildup that silently destroys internal components. Suspension longevity depends on awareness, avoiding potholes, slowing on rough roads, and respecting load limits preserves bushings and joints. Volkswagen suspensions are tuned for balance, not abuse. Small impacts accumulate into major repairs when ignored. Climate control longevity comes from consistency. Let the system regulate temperature smoothly. Avoid extreme settings. This preserves compressors, sensors, and actuators for years. Now, the final reveal. The single most important habit. Listening to your Volkswagen early. Small noises, slight vibrations, minor warnings are not annoyances. They are communication. Volkswagen vehicles are engineered to warn before failing. Ignoring early signals transforms minor, inexpensive fixes into catastrophic repairs. Owners who respect this habit see their Volkswagen age gracefully. The car remains solid, smooth, and reliable even after many years. Those who ignore it often believe their car is unlucky, when in reality it was simply unheard. This principle applies equally to combustion and electric Volkswagen models. ID vehicles rely on software, cooling systems, and battery management. Early attention prevents range loss, charging issues, and performance degradation. Visual continuation. Continue using only Volkswagen visuals. Volkswagen driving on highways and city roads, Volkswagen interiors showing calm, controlled driving, Volkswagen workshops performing inspections, Volkswagen factories symbolizing engineering precision, Volkswagen prototypes representing the future of the brand. This episode is not about fear, it's about control. Volkswagen gives you the tools to own a long-lasting car. Your habits decide the outcome. In the next episode, we will uncover hidden Volkswagen settings that almost no owner changes, yet they directly affect reliability, comfort, and daily driving experience.